Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add card in Talabat app. The first thing I want you to do is add something to your cart. So I'll come here and let's add this grilled chicken platter. Alright, we'll go ahead and choose this option and we'll go ahead and click here on add item. Click on start and then we can click here on view cart. Then what you want to do here, I want you to scroll down. If you have any voucher codes, enter that and just proceed to checkout after you see your total amount. And then here, I want you to scroll down until you reach the pay with section. And here is where you go ahead and add your card. So tap here on add new card, enter your card number, your expiration date, and CVV code. After you've entered your card details, you can just go ahead and toggle this one on where it says save card for later, and it will actually be saved and you can proceed to actually pay by clicking here on pay now. And that is how to add card in Talabat app.